Unraveling the phrase, mint money, a guide to understanding idioms in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, mint money. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for mastering the English language, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, let's dive in and discover what mint money really means. The phrase, mint money, is an idiom that means to earn a lot of money quickly and easily. It does not literally involve minting or making money. Instead, it's used to describe a situation where someone is making a significant amount of money, often with little effort. The word mint, in this context, is metaphorical, hinting at the place where money is produced. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in remembering and using them correctly. The phrase, mint money, likely comes from the literal process of minting coins. In mints, money is produced in large quantities. This analogy is used to describe a situation where someone is making a lot of money, as if they were running their own mint. To grasp this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. Ever since she started her online business, she's been minting money. Here, it means that the person is earning a lot of money from her business. 2. With his new investment, he's expected to mint money. This implies that the investment will bring in substantial profits. When using mint money in conversations, remember it's typically used in informal settings. It's perfect for casual conversations, especially when discussing someone's success or profitability in business. However, it's not commonly used in formal or business settings. Thank you for watching our video on the idiom, mint money. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Remember, idioms like this add flair to your language skills, making your English more natural and expressive. Stay tuned for more videos on English idioms and expressions. Happy learning!